Thank you for coming to our engagement party. I do want to address some rumors. A lot of people have speculated and asked, especially from work, because they want to dress appropriately. Thank you for coming to our engagement party. Ladies and gentlemen, this is our wedding day.
And Ate, my words for you. I just want to say thank you for being the perfect older sister. Yeah, bold statement, bold statement. You truly are a blessing, and I thank God every day I have a sister like you. Thank you for always supporting me through my tough times. Thank you for always loving me.
Harley has lots of good qualities. He's very caring, very devoted, loves his family. But of all your achievements, son, I think today is probably one of the proudest I've been.
I don't know what to do, then I look at you, and your life fills up the room. Then I look at you, and I know I'll make it.
First off, you look beautiful today.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for coming.
I won't mind if I love you till the end of time. Darling, all the privilege would be mine.
Every day I am reminded that you are my blessing from the Lord. Throughout my life, whether directly or indirectly, I prayed for exactly you. You're the best person I know. And any time I get to spend with you is the best part of my day. And I love you with everything that I have and everything I will have.
In all my imperfection, I thought I learned my lesson, that I'd never be loved by someone like you.
Han, you are my bestest friend. You are an answered prayer. Today, I look back at the times I used to talk to God and ask for someone kind, someone who loves my family as their own, someone patient, and someone who will draw me closer to Him. And He gave me just that. While I might have not met you immediately after my prayers, you came just at the right time. And I will praise God every day for that.
You were with me when it hurt the most. Felt the sunlight in your heart of gold. And it's all I've ever wanted. In all my imperfection, I thought I learned my lesson, that I'd never be loved by someone like you. You've changed our minds.
So if you look around, this is the village that have done something, that have invested in these two lives to get them over here. Thank you very much, and Harley and Dee, I'm very proud of you guys.
I don't know if it's a feeling or what, or a message that came inside my mind. Maybe. Denise, you made the right choice.
Harley, thank you for loving Denise, loving our family. Welcome to our family. And I know, that there are times that she's moody, especially when she works at, when she works during night.
What an absolute honor it is to be standing here, and what an even greater honor it is to witness your wedding day as your best man. I honestly had no idea. I was just proud to be here. Harley is kind, creative, and protective when it comes to his own kind.
In all my imperfection, I thought I learned my lesson, that I'd never be loved by someone.
Last but not least, I'd like to thank my wife. Thank you for making this day the best day of my life. And every other day from now on.
And I just want to praise God for everyone, each and every one of you guys here. And to my wonderful husband, I love you. And I'm so glad that we're here and that we have reached the covenant of marriage. Thank you. And I love you. I love everyone. Thank you so much.
Hold you close. I would give my life for you, And I swear to never let you go, not even for a moment.